My Gaia Gourmet Experience was phenomenal. I'm hoping that I have the cookbook waiting for me when I get home. I requested it for my birthday. That's coming up soon. But I want to take Gaia Gourmet home with me, and I want to share it with my friends and family. Absolutely.
The Gaia Gourmet cuisine experience at the sanctuary is phenomenal. Every meal is absolutely delicious. It's so well balanced. You feel so nourished and so full. And yeah, it's worth the trip for the food.
The Gaia Gourmet Experience is one that I'm ready to preach about to like everyone I meet from now on. I am already ordering the cookbook and considering who I'm gonna give it to as a gift for their birthday and which of my friends would appreciate the most, and can I convince my family and my friends to like journey with me through the cookbook, because I want to eat all of the meals again. And I can see that it is really catered to the experience we're having here day to day, and from week to week, seeing like how dishes aren't repeated and how something is really supporting like the intense activity of the day or the not so intense activity of the day, and watching that kind of ebb and flow of like meeting us where we're at with our practice and within the 3 weeks, in the same way that you would want to nourish yourself and meet yourself where you're at on the mat.
My Gaia Gourmet experience here was, actually this is the only place I've had it, was excellent. I learned a lot about Ayurvedic, information and what to eat and when, just through what we were fed and what was on the menu. I appreciated the variation and the incredible amount of food that we consumed, just all these different things. A lot of Costa Rican, food that I had never had before, as well as very inventive takes on different types of cuisine with the Ayurvedic influence. I recommend the food. I'm going to buy the cookbook. I can't wait to make some of this stuff at home or something like it.
Oh, my Gaia Gourmet Experience. Hey, just come here and find out for yourself. I mean, glorious, glorious, glorious foods everywhere. Glory, glory, hallelujah. It's like every breakfast, every lunch, every dinner is just like, how do you say this? It's like a catch for your eye. I don't know how to say this in English. It's like looking at your plate and actually you don't want to eat it because it looks so beautiful. But then on the other hand, yeah, you need food, you want food, you definitely want it. And it's, I cannot describe this in English because my English words are not enough to describe the food that is given to you here. And also everything is like organic. And I found out that living in the jungle, running a business here, it's not that easy, and I really admire the owners here, what they do, and bringing all this food to the table, the cooks that are working so hard, all the helpers, everyone is making your whole lunch and breakfast and dinner to a fiesta. It's a fiesta all over.